Hey guys, what's up? Gus Channel here, and today we're going to be unboxing probably some photos today. So yeah, let's get into it. These are the national holidays I was waiting for. I think this parcel came all the way from the Isle of Man. Not too sure. Don't really care, to be honest. And it does look like, indeed, it is the national holidays, guys. We'll just double check. No, just a piece of cardboard. And nothing else. So yeah. Throw that on the floor, and yeah. So here we are. This is all of this same coach, by the way. So yeah, here's National Holidays hashtag photo number 1. Oh god, just dropped the thing. And yes, it is off an old National Holiday. Not too sure what the make is, but the reg is A848OKK. Not too sure if it exists anymore, but it could do. Either as a service bus or preserved, if you get what I mean, guys. Yeah, here's the front and here's the back. And here's just a thingy of the coach. Don't know what you would call this, but yeah, still pretty cool. And yeah, here's the front and here's the back, and it does say MCW Metroliner, which is the make. So yeah, that's pretty cool. It shows you all the different sides of it, including the back and the front. So yeah, it's quite cool. Here it is again, and the reg is the same, A848OKK, as you can see, just a different angle. So yeah, here's the front and here's the back. I quite like this one. It don't actually show you the actual number plate. It just says Metroliner, which I don't know if that was a demonstrator or they've added that in. Who knows? So yeah, it's probably the same coach. And yeah, here's the front and here's the back. I think this one's probably the same coach. So yeah, here's the front, here's the back. Oh, we got 2 more. So yeah, ooh, some on that one. See if I can get it off. There we go. I think that'll do. I don't want to ruin the picture. So yeah, here's the front of the national holidays and the back of the picture. Last one today, guys, which is pretty much the same but not the same. I think these have probably been blue tacked up or something like I'm going to do with them. So yeah, here's the front and here's the back. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Now let's get the thumbnail. And I think in my last video I actually forgot to get the thumbnail. So what I'm going to have to do is just select a scene of the video in TubeBuddy to add as the thumbnail. So yeah, let's get into the thumbnail now, guys.
1, 2, 3, 4. There we go.
So thank you guys for watching and peace out.